everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have an Aldi haul. So let's get started so I can show you what I got. This one over here was $5.05. So I got two big packages of the chicken thighs. These hamburgers, okay, they're all natural beef burgers, 100% beef. So that's a 75 lean, 25 fat, which is okay with us. That is, let me see, because that's the first time I bought those. Okay, $7.29. I'm not sure how many come in here, but $7.29. Then I got 3 packs of the Family Farm sharp cheddar cheese. I got 3 blocks. Each block is $1.45. Okay, I got those. Then I normally get these seasoned French fries. That's by Season's Choice, and this was $1.19. Okay, and then these are from Kirkland. They're fully cooked chicken nuggets. And I think I said these were $1.29. That's a good buy. I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Sorry. That is $2.89. Okay. So now over here we get to these chicken cutlets. Look at the size of these cutlets. these are huge. Okay. So this big package here, you get 4 of the huge chicken cutlets. $9.66 for this pack. And then this one over here was $8.98. Look how huge these guys are. So we got 2 packages of these. Let me get these out of the way. So I usually get my heavy cream from there, and that's Friendly Farms, and these are $1.10. This went up a penny. So I just grabbed 2 of these because I already had some. Then the spray by Carlini, original canola spray. This was $1.09. That was a good buy. Then their butter, I think I pretty much know their butter is like $2.29, $2.59, I can't find it on the receipt. It is pouring out here, guys, and my receipt got all wet, so it'll take me a little while to find it. But anyway, these sweet additions. This is the stevia sugar packets that I use, okay, because the ingredient on there is just erythritol, stevia leaf extract, and it does say natural flavors, but it doesn't affect my sugar, so I'm okay with that. Then this is something new that I just bought for my son for when I don't feel like making breakfast, and it's a croissant sandwiches, sausage, egg, and cheese. You get 4 in the box, and that one is $3.39. Okay, I remember. Now we move over here to these steaks. Okay, these are top sirloin steaks, black Angus. So this is a nice size steak. Okay, so this was $5.82 for this size steak here. Okay, then this one is even bigger. See the size of that? Okay, and my son can eat the whole thing. So this was $7.30. Isn't that a great buy? I thought that was a great buy. And then this one here is $5.11. And like I said, these are pretty good sized steaks. And now I get I love this bacon, the Appleton Farm sliced bacon. And these are $3.39. So this time around, I just got 2. We love bacon here, but we just got 2 because I stocked up on so much steak. And then the ground beef, 80/20. That one was $6.46. So that's what I got as far as meat. I just got this small bag over here of Dollar Tree, but I'll show you that last. So here's the pancake mix, because I do make a lot of pancakes. That's by Maples. This was $1.29. Then the Carlini olive oil. This was $2.89. I think that was $2.89. $2.89 or $2.29. Let me see if I can find it real quick on this receipt. I think that's $2.49. So this was $2.49. Then here is the Aunt Maple's original syrup. That was $1.29. Got one of those. Their spices are 95 cents. So I got garlic. I got cumin. I like stocking up on my spices there. They're slightly cheaper than Dollar Tree and the same amount of spice. So this one is oregano, so I got 3 of those. Then these are the bagels. I got 2 of the plain bagels, and they're by Love and Fresh, and they're huge bagels. Okay, I usually get them. At one point they were $1, now they're $1.49 each. So then I got 2 Haas avocados. They went up to 89 cents each, and this during the winter months, I think they were 59 cents, but they went up to 89. I just grabbed 2 of those. Then the eggs were like $1.10 for the large eggs, so I just grabbed 2 dozen of those. This, the Love and Fresh Classic White, this was $1.10. And then these fig bars by Benton's, here where I live, they were 95 cents. You normally have to go to another store. Aldi's doesn't normally carry 2 Good yogurt, and I saw them. So I grabbed 5 of the vanilla, which is the flavor that I love the most. So I got 5 of those. I love these. I got to go back and stock up on these. So I spent a little bit extra, and I got some of the bathroom tissue. This here was $6.79. Or was it this one? Let's see. $6.79. Okay, so these were $6.79, and I'm not sure about the toilet tissue. That was probably around the same. This one is Boulder, this one is by Willow, and this is the mega roll. So it's 12 rolls equals 48 regular rolls. That's normally where I get my bathroom tissue and my kitchen paper towels. So this is what I got from Aldi. So I just walked into the Dollar Tree, because I always walk into Dollar Tree, and I always get the pop-up foils. We go through these a lot, and I love them. Those are Reynolds. And then I saw these pillows. Aren't these pillows absolutely gorgeous? Okay, they're white. They are absolutely beautiful, even though they're small. So I just grabbed 2 of those. Okay, they are so beautiful. So I had to grab 2 of those, the pop-up foil. What else did I get? Let's see. Oh, that was all the way back here. Oh, okay. So I wanted to DIY another one of these ohms. So we got 1 of him. And then I saw the gemstone wrap. Okay, wasn't the color that I wanted, but I hadn't seen this color either. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so I just grabbed it since I'm doing some mom decor. I thought this gemstone wrap would come out really nice. And this is what it says on the package. Glitter ribbon. Okay, it's glitter ribbon. Isn't that beautiful? And that's pretty much all I got. I'm trying to stick to a budget, and so this is what I got today. And it's raining. I think I'm gonna go lay down and rest. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Every time you hit like, you have YouTube to notice me just a little bit more. Have an awesome day, guys.